How to fix too many attempts failed or too many failed attempts on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix too many failed attempts error on Cash App. Well, if you have too many failed login or verification attempts on Cash App, the account might be temporarily locked. To resolve this, you can request account recovery by contacting Cash App support or through the app itself. You'll have to go through the identity verification process and await notification that your account has been unlocked. So you can simply proceed to Cash App support through the app, or you can simply head over to your browser and you can search in for Cash App support. Once you do so here, you should be able to see how you can contact Cash App support. You can directly call them or you can chat with them in order to get your account unlocked. So this is how you can fix the too many failed attempts error on Cash App. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.